Hello! Today I am here to unbox iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. And then we're going to check out the cases, we're going to check out Magsafe, we're going to talk about how it feels in hand. We don't need all that fancy schmancy unboxing beauty shot stuff. We only need simple unboxing for this video. And I believe I can do it. I believe for once I can do it. I can. No. I cannot wait to review these devices, but let's talk about the first impressions. I really like the design. I like the corners. It's easier to pick up, by the way, compared to these guys. That wasn't on purpose. It feels really good in the hand. The bottoms are rounded. They're not sharp, so it doesn't dig into your hand. It's really good. It gives you a bigger screen, 6.1 inch on this device. And this device is smaller than iPhone 11, but you still get 6.1 inch display. As you can see, the bezels are smaller compared to iPhone 11 because iPhone 11 had the liquid retina display. This is an LCD display. This one has an OLED display, adds $100 on top of this device, but you get higher resolution, truer blacks, deeper, darker blacks, and the contrast ratio is higher. And if you're watching HDR videos, this device can display up to 1200 nits. So this is really close to the Pro line. And this doesn't feel anything less than iPhone 12 Pro. iPhone 12 Pro is a little bigger than iPhone 11 Pro because it has 6.1 inch screen instead of 5.8. Now, before we take a look at these cases, I want to talk about Magsafe a little bit. This is the Magsafe Charger. Comes in this box. And it has a USB-C connection. I'm not huge on wireless charging, but this can change things a little bit because with this, you can snap it in there. You get this animation and you still can play on your phone while it is charging wirelessly. I think this is kind of taking us towards an era where they're gonna remove the lightning port. This is pretty strong. The phone is not going anywhere, but it is not super strong. So if you lift it up like this, of course it's gonna come off because this is made for this environment. So if you're looking at this and thinking what a car charger is going to be, it's not going to be the same thing. The car charger is going to have much stronger magnets, and I feel like the phone is going to stick a lot stronger. A lot of people worked on this. They probably thought about that, right? Yeah. So it's not going to be the same as, I don't know, the little wallet that comes with the cases. Talking about cases, this thing has a near field communication thingy. Let's go and look at these cases. So when you put these new cases on, it understands that you put the case on. But did you see that? Let's get another case. Let's get the red case. Watch. Let's get the white case. It knows what color the case is and shows that animation accordingly. If you're wondering what the differences are between 12 and 12 Pro because they're so similar, you can share the cases. 12 starts from 64 gigabyte goes up to 256. 12 Pro starts from 128 and goes up to 512. Of course, 12 has ultra wide and wide angle lens. 12 Pro also has the tele lens. 12 Pro can shoot HDR videos in 4K 60 frames per second up to 60 frames per second. 12 can shoot up to 4K 30 frames per second. But if you don't want to shoot in HDR, they both can shoot in 4K 60 frames per second in all of the cameras. All of them. 12 is 164 grams. 12 Pro is 189 grams. Of course, 12 Pro is made from stainless steel and 12 is made from aluminum. They both have the ceramic shield glass at the front. Also, before I say goodbye, the red of product red is a little different than the product red that we got used to in time. It's not bad, but it is just different. It doesn't look like the product red that you would expect. Yeah, so also there's that. Now I'm gonna install my stuff and start testing these devices and come back with an in-depth review. Well, thank you very much for watching this episode. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. I'll be releasing a lot of videos about iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Also, other stuff is cooking as well. There, other reviews are coming as well. And yeah, I'll be seeing you soon. Well, now I'm gonna install my stuff onto this and see what they can do. I have high hopes. High hopes. Let's do it.